Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the object and environment. Look for awkward shapes, shifting contents, and whether it weighs more than you can safely control. Once done, choose gloves and stable footwear and clear the path of cords or debris. Make sure you plan the lift. Position feet shoulder width, set a firm grip on opposite corners, and bend at the knees so your hips drive the motion. This first step prevents sudden shifts and prepares your body to lift with control rather than strain. You now execute the lift with purpose. Engage your core and inhale as you drive upward through your legs, keeping the movement smooth and controlled. Make sure to hold the load close to your torso so leverage works in your favor and your spine stays neutral. This reduces shear forces on discs. Once upright, take small steps and pivot with your feet rather than twisting at the hips. If the object is bulky or unstable, call a teammate and coordinate a synchronized lift to share the load. You finish by lowering the object deliberately. Approach the drop zone, bend hips and knees, and keep the load close as you descend. Make sure to place it securely before letting go, then reassess for any spills or instability so you don't walk away with a hidden hazard. If at any point you feel sharp pain, loss of balance, or the object starts to slip, stop immediately, set the load down safely, reset your posture, or call for help. This prevents injuries and lets you troubleshoot safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.